Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK, and this video I'm going to show you how you can make any lamp on-off switch to touch. This one is three-way, off, low, medium, high. You wanna know how I done? Let's stay with me. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. First of all, we're gonna buy three-way switch. I always shopping on eBay. Most of the time I find cheapest stuff on eBay. Best you can return anytime and 100% money back guarantee. So we're gonna search for three-way touch switch, and we can filter our search and narrow to USA and cheapest one. And the first one is $5.64, 2 pieces. I'm gonna buy this one so I can convert 2 lamps just in $5.64. I got switch already and tested it working, so now let's move to the lamp. To install the switch we have to access at the bottom of the lamp. So what we have to do first, we're gonna remove a shade so it don't get damaged. We also gonna remove bulbs. We don't want to have a glass all over in shop. And now we're gonna flip down and we will be able to access at the bottom. So let's remove this plastic, and there's a bolt we're gonna remove with the channel lock. After you remove, you can access the wire. There's only 2 wire coming from the 120 volt receptacle, white and black. They both tied to the both side lamp. This lamp I have 2 bulbs, so I have a 2 wire coming from each bulb. So all white wire tied each other, black each other. So now let's look to the schematic and see how we gonna wire up this switch. According to the schematic, yellow wire go to the body where we're gonna touch, white wire is neutral, switch leg, and red wire shared with the 120 volt power and light bulb, and black wire is power source. So now first we're gonna move our yellow wire. So at this point I have only middle piece of the metal, so I'm gonna use this washer to tie the yellow wire, and I will mount that washer between that the bolt and middle, because this lamp is, I'm not sure it's like made with the fiber or it's like a board, but it's different material. It's not touch sensitive. So I remove the middle bolt and we can mount a washer. So I have a yellow wire tied to the washer, and the washer is in the middle. Now tight. So now we're gonna wire up the rest of. You can follow the schematic. So now I'm gonna remove all the wire nut. We're gonna access to the wires and make some connections according to the schematic. You have to check double, triple, because we don't want to make any electrical short. So I have a schematic. Look for each time I have 1 wire tied, I go to the schematic, make sure I'm at the right spot. So I'm connecting white wire right now, all the neutral. And now the red one is a switch leg. So this one gonna go to the both lamps. All the wires are tight. I just want to make sure all the wire nuts are good tight, they don't come off, and all the connections are safe. And now we're ready to test. Before we put everything back, we're gonna test, and then we will put our plate and shade back. Let's plug in, test it working at this spot. Good to go. Let's put the shade and plate back and we're ready to enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.